Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to make the compute field editable using inverse compute field method in Odoo19 for our custom module. Today's lecture will be very informative and very small and minor topic which may be useful for your further development in Odoo. So today we are going to study about how to show ID in your particular view. So by default, remember guys, by default, Odoo, when you create any of the records, Odoo have its particular ID which is stored in the Postgres SQL. So you don't need to create a separate ID for your records. It is already present, but it does not show in the view by default. As you can see, I am currently in my library management module, and here you can see there are all the records are seen here in the list view, but there is not any ID field. Also, when I go to the code in the books view, you can see there is not any ID field declared by me, even though Odoo by default creates the ID field for your records. And as you already have known that ID is very essential for any of the records. So how do you show that particular ID in your list view or tree view? It is very simple. All you need to do is add an ID field in your list view. You don't need to create any of the new field, but simply add in your list view or form view. Go to your code. Here in your code, go for the books view. Here in the books view, go for the list view or tree view. And here what I'll do, I'll simply add the field name ID. Remember guys, again I am saying this is the field which is given by Odoo. We did not create this particular field. Now simply I'll restart my server, go to the browser, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After successfully upgrading, go to the library management, and now you can see the ID field is shown, and this ID is coming from the Odoo by default, which they have set. If I create any of the new record, new book, and simply save it, and see here the ID will be automatically set as 20, and it will be incremented if I add any of the new record. So it is a very simple and informative thing for you to know that ID field is there in Odoo for your further development, and when you need to fetch ID in your list view or form view as per your requirement. In the next lecture, we will be studying the ORM methods, which are very essential and important topic for the Odoo development. So in order to make that topic more understandable, I have simply added this list of the ID so that you can understand more effectively. So I hope this small informative video had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.